Hey guys, I've just discovered something really interesting about Claude and I want to share that with you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to play games in Claude. So once you're inside the Claude AI, guys, you want to look towards your left hand side. You will find the artifacts. In case your sidebar is collapsed, it's this icon here. Once you hover over it, you can click on it, or you can expand your sidebar and click on artifacts. Now, under this section, it's really simple and really cool. You can see your artifacts if you have something there or not. And you can also go ahead and add a new artifact as well. Now, under the inspiration section, guys, you want to go ahead and look for play a game. Click on that and you can find games here. Let's see this one, right? A slime soccer. I can click on that, and as you can see, it will quickly go ahead and load up in a second there, and you have the game here. You can say a single player, you can say, game for 1 minute, and yeah, you got it, guys. So you can see it's currently there. It's a game and it's playing, and yeah, really cool game that you can really play in Claude. And yeah, it's really nice. There's multiple games there and you can go ahead and check them out. That's super cool. You can even view it in the full screen and you can see the guide and all those good stuff, right? So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.